Hey everybody, it's Eric again. Sorry, it's been a while. I had gotten into a car accident, so my back's been messed up. I've been trying to get that worked out and try to get better. I will be getting back soon, back on this, just to continue to do more things very soon, hopefully. So here, our tarps get messed up. We had a very strong wind come through and just ripped it apart, so I had to start taking it down. I should be replacing it here in the next couple days. Get a new tarp. I'm gonna put one whole piece on there if I can find one. Another update as well, our chickens now. This is their first week of laying eggs. We've gotten about 8 so far, and we'll see how that goes out. And we're here too, water bin. I still gotta figure out how to get a rain collection going off the roof because it's not real high. So I want to try to make it look as neat as possible. It's all DIY stuff, so let's do what I can. Also here, we're going to start trying to plant some things here and see how things go. And this is going to be another return to come back and continue, hopefully keep going. And hopefully we'll start seeing a pretty good transformation. And we're going to start doing garden beds and doing all sorts of things to see how things work out. And we're actually preparing to, in the future, eventually get some land, and we'll see how that works out. So anyways, if you guys help me out, support me, like and subscribe, and share this video. And if you can, I'll talk to you guys later.